Keeping our brain active is an important part of becoming a great communicator. And when there's no work, when you're self-quarantined, when you're on a lockdown, how do you keep your brain active?
No rain.
This is Naren conquering communication with you all, and I have started to teach myself how to juggle with these happy faces right here. And here's my attempt. Let's see how I do. There we go. That was long, but that's one of the best things I've done so far, actually. Like one of the best rounds of juggling I've had so far. And it's a constant progress, but I'm having so much fun with it. There's research that shows that jugglers have one of the largest brains. So this is one way you can keep your brain active so that you can continue being a great communicator. What skill are you teaching yourself? I'm looking forward to hearing from you. I will see you guys in my next video. Happy quarantine.